Hey Gadgetverse family! Today, we're looking at a serious piece of kit for anyone who owns multiple vehicles or deep cycle batteries, the 12V/24V heavy-duty automatic battery charger and maintainer. This isn't just a charger, it's a complete battery care system designed for automotive, marine, and recreational use. With support for both 12V and 24V systems and an adjustable output of 0 to 15 amps, it's ready to handle everything from small motorcycle batteries to large truck or RV power banks. The smart microprocessor inside constantly monitors battery health, automatically adjusting voltage and current through multiple charging stages, bulk, absorption, and float, to ensure your battery gets exactly what it needs, without the risk of overcharging. It's compatible with AGM, gel, flooded lead acid, and deep cycle batteries, giving you incredible versatility. Whether you're topping off your boat's battery before the season, maintaining your car's charge during long storage, or keeping an RV battery healthy, this unit has you covered. One of its standout features is the repair mode, which uses high-frequency pulse technology to help reverse sulfation and restore lost battery capacity. Combine that with winter mode, which optimizes charging for cold temperatures, and you've got year-round performance in any climate. Safety is fully built in, with overcharge protection, reverse polarity protection, short-circuit protection, and overheating safeguards all handled automatically. The charger also has auto shut-off, so once your battery is full, it stops charging, saving energy and extending battery life. The rugged housing and easy-to-read LED display make it simple to see voltage, charging current, mode, and battery status at a glance. This is truly a heavy-duty tool that's still easy to use, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend DIYer. If you need a tough, reliable, all-weather charger for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, or marine batteries, the 12V/24V0-15A heavy-duty smart charger is a smart investment. Check the Amazon link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more gear reviews.